Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw 3D stairs. Let's make it more neat and prominent. Here comes the fun part, coloring. I'm using pink color. You can use any color you like. Orange, yellow color, green color, blue color. We are using multicolors. Red color, dark green color, purple color, dark blue color, pink color, yellow color, light blue color, dark green color, dark blue color, pink color. And there we have it, 3D stairs. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.